Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to unlock your Varo Visa debit card. If you don't have a Varo account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $50 when you join and spend $20 within 30 days of account opening. However, if you already have an account, just open the website varomoney.com, then click on Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says My Varo. In the Card Services section, you will see an option for Unlock Your Card. Slide the toggle to the left to unlock the card. A pop-up window will appear asking if you're sure to unlock your card. To proceed, click on the button that says Unlock Your Card. That's how you unlock your Varo Visa debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.